In this next example, I'd like to draw a perpendicular line through a given point. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll just draw a line across the page. Draw it the other way around this time. Let's draw it across here. Here we go. Here's my line. And I'm going to do it through a given point. Now, I'm going to purposely not make the point right in the center. I'll make the point off to one side. In fact, I'm going to make the point over there. So obviously it's not right in the middle here. So it's going to be off to the side slightly. And how do we do this? All we do is we simply take our compass. We're going to make sure that the spread of the compass is going to still fit on the line. So I'm going to make it a bit narrower. But when it goes through the line, I'm going to make two cuts. So I put the point on the point which we have to go through. I'm going to make two cuts, 1, 2, there they are. So I've got a point here and a point here. So there's a point there and a point there. And this is not very accurate, by the way. I'm sorry, I can't see this very well because I'm looking through the actual image appearing on the screen. The image appearing on the screen is actually a lot smaller than what you'll see. All right, so let's have a look at this. So it's actually quite small. All right, so now I'm going to take my compass, and it doesn't really matter now as long as this, but I can just leave it exactly in the same position as before, and I'm going to do two cuts. One arc there from that point on the left, and one arc. I'm going to cut now on the point on the right. There it is. So there's my 2 points. Now, I don't do the same on the other side because I already have my point on the other side. There it is, and all I'm going to do now is go from that point directly through the point of intersection on the other side. So there it goes. So now these are not equal. Of course, these two distances here from this cut here, intersection to that point, this to this point, are in fact equal. But I can't say that this line here is equal to the line on the other side. But what we can say, of course, is that this is in fact a right angle. That is in fact perpendicular. So that's how we draw a perpendicular line through a given point.